the NCB has found the phone number of KT Ramesh, accused in gold smuggling case, in the contact list of Mohammad Anup, who's accused in the Karnataka drugs racket. As NCB has alerted the matter to the Customs Department in Kerala, a team of customs officials from Kochi will head to Bengaluru for a probe regarding this. I'm joined by my colleague Vivek over this. Vivek, so it's a very, very interesting twist which has now taken place in the Kerala gold scam. Actually, it seems like both the cases are now linked. But after the NCB alerted the Kerala Customs Department that there could be a link between two accused in both the cases, now Kochi Customs officials will head to Bengaluru.
Yeah, that's right. The Kochi Customs Department, will head to Bengaluru anytime from coming Monday onwards. What we understand is that in the statement provided by Mohammad Anup, it very clearly says that, KT Ramesh, the main accused in the gold smuggling scam, did call him, and he also did call him back. Now, we still don't know what was the content of this call, what was they intending, whether it was to invest money for gold, for gold smuggling. All those things needs to be investigated. But the statement was provided by Mohammad Anup to the NCB in Bangalore, and after that, the NCB had intimated this to the customs officials in Ernakulam. And what we understand is that anytime from this Monday, that the customs department will head to Bangalore and question Mohammad Anup, and also they will know, they basically want to know his connections in this particular case, because the gold smuggling case has been investigated by not just one agency but 4 agencies here, including the Kerala police. Hence, also we know that the NIA is investigating this case. Now, if at all, the customs come to know that KT Ramesh was investing in the drug case, whether he was collecting money from the drug case accused, then it could take a completely different angle from here onwards, which basically means that, even the drug accused, the drug case, the people who are connected with the drug case are investing in the gold smuggling case. Now, that is a totally different thing now, and that makes the case even more murkier. And what we understand is that more people from Kerala are involved in this drug case. A person based in Kannur, who is close to Mohammad Anup, had actually introduced, Mohammad Anup to Anika, as the serial actress who was arrested. And he's based in Dharmadam. He's the son of a businessman. That's what we understand. Also, in the call logs which we managed to access, we understand that more calls of Mohammad Anup have been tracked and is tracked towards, celebrities and also businessmen in Kerala. So all these people will be investigated in the coming week. What are their links with Mohammad Anup? Whether these calls was, related to the, collecting drugs from Mohammad Anup and Ravindran and Anika. So all these angles needs to be investigated, and that's the reason why the Customs Preventive Department will head to Bangalore in the coming week.
Right. Vivek, we'll of course be coming back to you for more on this. Thank you so much for getting us that breaking update.